Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mark. It's day 3 in a row of 2026. And I got a good video. We're going to talk about a huge upgrade I did before Christmas that could benefit any of you, regardless of your boat. What's the upgrade? Lithium batteries, new charger. Out with the old and in with the new. I'm going to show you what I bought. I'm going to show you how much it cost. I'm going to show you the weight savings. It's pretty astonishing, honestly, how much weight I saved. So let's get started. This isn't rocket science. We got our scale here. We're going to weigh these old batteries against the new batteries, as well as the charging systems. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of the new batteries I got in the charger. I deleted it when I went fishing the next day off of my GoPro. It was a huge mistake. So we're going to do this a little bit modified. So I went on the website and I got the information for the new stuff. I'll show you that after I weigh the old stuff. Cool? All right, here we go. All right, so the batteries that were in there before were Group 27, EverStart 750 batteries. And I'm picking it up. Oh, first we got to get the scale ready. All right. Here we go. Battery number 1. 53 pounds. Wow. I mean, I was surprised, but it is heavy. When you pick that up, you're like, damn, it's heavy. So I'm going to do a little quick math. I broke my pencil. Dang. I got a pen right here. We're not totally in trouble. So 14.7. Yes. All right. A little quick math. We got 5, carry the 1. 1. All right. So our grand total is 121 pounds, 5 ounces. My replacement batteries are Redodo 12 volt, 100 amp hours. I have 2 of them. They come in at a weight of 22 pounds each, according to the manufacturer's website, which I'm going to show you here, and some other specifications. But the weight savings is astonishing, you guys. I'm going to do that math real quick right here. 2 of those Redodo batteries are 44 pounds together. So we're going to go ahead and deduct that from our total here. All right, so just in batteries alone, the weight of those 2 Group 27s that I'm replacing with lithiums were 106.8 pounds for 2 batteries. So we're going to go ahead and take those off the scale. Now we're going to weigh the old charger. Oh, it's heavy. The Noco 3-bank 30 amps, quite a heavy girl. Whew. Okay. I'm going to flip you around. The Noco 30 amp 3-bank right here weighs 14 pounds, 7 ounces. Wow. The Noco charger came in at 14.7 pounds. The Minn Kota charger weighs 8 pounds. So, offsetting that is 6 pounds, 7 ounces. So we got to add that to this total. 6.7, so 2 and 1, it's 14 and 1. It's an 84 pound savings, you guys. I saved 84 pounds in the asset of my boat, changing out the charger and the batteries. Now the cost. Okay. Each of these batteries at Walmart are about $100. The old ones that I'm replacing. And that Noco charger, what came with the boat, I guess I will look up and see how much it costs, and I'll show it to you during the video. But it doesn't do lithium, so I pulled off of that and got into the Minn Kota. So that's the why I changed out my charger. Now, the weight savings, people worry about the weight distribution big time because these boats are designed with that weight in mind. When they put these boats together, and now that might shift with lithium being more prevalent, but in the past, these boats were designed with all of that weight in mind for performance, how the boat moves and feels. And what I can tell you is right now, I haven't picked up any speed. I haven't lost any speed. But the boat seems to sit flatter in the water at high speed, if that makes sense. I'm sitting a little flatter than I am with that angle. The boat's not angling up nearly as much, but I got the same speed. So right now, I don't have anything bad to say. The thing kicks ass. This new setup works great. It's just instant power all the time. I have yet to run them out. Well, as you can see, everything is charging as it should. We got our negative on our negative, positive, positive, etc., etc. And our jumper to create our 24 volt system here, he just comes and tucks down and then lands back on the positive here. I'm waiting to have an issue so I can share that with you, but I haven't had an issue yet. So right now, I'm a huge fan of the Redodo 12.8 volt 100 amp hour batteries made specifically for trolling motors. They're low temp version. I got them back during Black Friday-ish, and I paid quite a bit less than they're advertising right now. I think I paid around $300, $320 total delivered for 2 of them. And then I paid $199 for the charger through Bass Pro. They're blowing them out about almost half price. I think they're normally $380 and they're selling them for $199, and they work fantastic with lithium.
It's a really big fish. Big walleye. Bam! Shove! That's a chunky ass walleye. We're gonna weigh this guy. We'll measure it too. 5 pounds, 6.5 ounces. That's a nice walleye. Here, let's measure it. Oh yeah, that's a quality. That's a 20-inch walleye out here at the Bull. I'd like to get a picture. Let him go. 20 inches, 5 pounds, 6.5 ounces. Nice friggin' walleye, man. All right.
This is day 3 in a row. I hope you guys are having a friggin' awesome new year. Let's just keep carrying it on. I'll see you guys real soon. See you tomorrow.